Hi everyone, welcome back to another nail show or paint nails with me. I hope you have your nail polishes ready and we're going to paint our nails and chat. I picked out this beautiful blue color by China Glaze. It's called Secret Periwinkle and I absolutely love it, but you will see in the video how it's applied, and you will see it only takes like 2 coats, which is perfect. I always apply my nail polishes in 2 coats. So yes, anyways, how are you guys? I feel like I'm coming down with some kind of cold or flu, not really sure, but it will be good. It's just this weather here where I am. It's one day it's super hot, another day it's cold. I am not sure what's going on with the weather in Europe, but yes. Anyways, fall is coming and I'm so excited for sweater weather. I'm excited for chilly weather and just getting my sweaters on and just being very comfortable, and leaves changing color and the rain. I love rain. I love summer too, but I do love those in-between seasons, like fall and spring are my favorite. And I'm very sad that it's lost almost, because here we basically have periods where it's like very, very cold, and then boom, all of a sudden it's hot and it's summer. So kind of that transition is lost, which is very sad in my opinion. I feel like our planet is changing and everything is changing, but this video is not that deep, so I'm not gonna get into it. I also wanted to ask, do you guys believe in law of attraction? I really want to try my best to be positive and just kind of spread positive energy, because negativity is so toxic and I've been on that roller coaster of positive and negative, and I just really want to be like in the positive vibe, on that frequency, if you get what I mean, because you have to be on certain frequency to attract the good thing that you want to attract. I can talk more about it in my other videos. I just don't want to bore you guys if you're not into it. But if you are, give this video a thumbs up so that I know. And also, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. And until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye, guys.